Okay, so it doesn't matter how much knowledge you have about the acupuncture, and I'm going to give you a quick education on what is acupuncture, how it works, and what we're going to do. Okay, this is about the acupuncture system. Okay, it's on the human body, has the meridian and has the point. Okay, this whole system has been discovered in China about 4,000 or 5,000 years ago, and continue to use as a mainstream medicine in Asian countries, especially in China. And right now it's getting very popular, and what's that called influence the whole world. Is going to change the people how to think and how to take care of their body. And the acupuncture theory is basically about on the human body has 20 meridian. So we have 12 major meridian and 8 special meridian. Is total going to be the 20 major meridian, and they going to each meridian connect to each other, and like a whole system to floating the energy and control the circulation. So each meridian connect to your internal organ. It's like a heart meridian, lung meridian, liver meridian, and so on. And those meridian pair, two meridian pair each other, like husband and wife. One control inside, one control outside, one control yin, one control yang, as like a whole system to run the whole body. Okay. And also each meridian we can see have a little dot, so we call the energy stations, or we call the acupuncture point or acupressure point. Okay, and in the situation, if those acupuncture point or energy station has been blocked, or those area or meridian the energy deficiency, or some area the energy too much, all those situation is represent your total energy unbalance. Okay, it could be pain or any other symptoms. So, but in general speak, your whole body energy unbalance. So we're going to use those point or energy station to diagnose your problems, and also can use those points to treat your problem, make your body energy balance. This is about the basic how acupuncture works. Okay, and the testing we just did on you, and is testing your 20 meridian energy level, and see how your energy flow or some area could be find out your real problems. So this is about acupuncture, and also about what we testing on your body and what we can find out to determine if this is the right treatment for you. Okay, thank you.